Why do electrons in atoms have energy levels? You know they do. From chemistry, right? Electrons exist in discrete energy levels. You know they do. Why? To answer this, we're going to be physicists and do something simple and stupid first. We're going to put a particle in a box. And I know you're thinking that sounds dumb, but it works. So we're going to put a particle in a box. We're going to put it in a very special box. Very, very simple box. Sorry. The box has only one dimension to it. It has a length. The electron can only move along the box. It can't move in the other ways. And for those of you thinking this is unrealistic and goofy, long carbon chains act like this. So beta carotene, those electrons act like they're in a box very, very well. 1,3-butadiene, propene, all of these electron in a box, very good model. So it's a very special box. The electron can only go along the box, and it has some size to it. And since the electron can't go through the walls of the box, we're going to make it a very special box. The electron can't drill through, right, some perfect box. Since the electron can't go through the box, that tells us that the probability at the edge has to be 0, because the electron can't go through the wall, which means that the probability at the wall has to be 0, which means that psi squared has to be 0, which means psi equals 0. This is a so-called standing wave, just like this one. So there's my standing wave. It goes to 0 at both ends. Remember, we've got to think of an electron as a wave sometimes. This is one of those times. You can see it goes to 0 on both ends because the probability of the wave existing over here is 0. So it's got to go to 0 on the ends. All right? So we're doing this very weird, very special box. Okay? Question?